although we provide loads of exercises with loads of different bits that we've got here, like the Alter G, obviously we still want our clients to exercise. We have practitioners and part of our teams that will provide exercises for the clients. The whole aim of it is to try and help encourage their neural pathways to redevelop, because in some neurological injury cases you can actually retrain those pathways into being able to give the signal back from the brain back to that muscle to allow them to achieve a greater movement that they weren't able to do before. And we do this through exercises on things like our flywheel systems, with resistance bands, with some of our weights. It generally just depends on the condition of the client and whether or not they've still got some activation in that limb or in that muscle. The Desmotecs are a flywheel system. They work on eccentric loads. It's basically when your muscles lengthen and they are loaded whilst lengthening. And the theory behind it is that it actually helps to train and work on control. So bringing it into neurological perspective, for some of our clients, it helps them to gain that control over that limb that they don't have as much control over, and it helps to improve, say, them from being able to sit to stand from a chair. They're able to control it a lot better and not just fall into the chair. And it also helps them when it comes to walking. You know, they're able to provide a much better stride length because they've got better control over their hamstrings or over their quads. So the bits of equipment like the Desmotec flywheel, lower limb and upper limb, are great for helping in that area, rebuilding that pathway, getting that control back for that client and helping them with their walking. Unlike a regular gym, one of the physiotherapists will do a review with a client and then get a sports therapist like myself to go through it with them, to go through exercises that are going to specifically target their hamstrings or their glutes based off of what the physio's seen and needs them to improve on. And we also try to provide exercises they can do at home that are similar to the exercises we do here, and try to teach them about it here so that they can perform them at home and get better at them, so that when they come back for that review, they've improved massively and they can see the benefits of it when they're here.